Okay, so that's a safe bet perhaps that you are making at this point in time. But Akshay, very quickly from you, if you could tell us why are trends looking the way they are in Jharkhand? Was there anti-incumbency against the JMM there?
Well, it appears so, Munmun, as of now, because of the trends are giving leads to the Bharatiya Janata Party more than the incumbent government. In the last 5 years, there have been a range of issues that have plagued the state, especially when it comes to the development of the state. This is, in fact, like we have been talking about how young Jharkhand as a state is. It was formed just around 2000, and it's been about only 24 years that the state has been formed. And in these 24 years around, it has seen several chief ministers, a lot of instability, a lot of political back and forth happening, and a lot of agendas are working when it comes to who rules the state and who exactly makes call when it comes to the major decisions in the states are concerned. And the people have suffered because of all of this politics, and the people have been calling for a stable government in the state. Now, the most important issues in these elections have actually been the infiltration of Rohingya migrants from Bangladesh, and that has been a talking point for the Bharatiya Janata Party more than the JMM and the Indian National Congress, and perhaps people were not quite happy about the government not doing much to control that menace. So that is one. Second is obviously development of the state, development of roads, development of universities and schools. That is also need of the hour because the people from Jharkhand, they have to go out to different cities. They have to go to other metropolitan cities like Delhi, NCR, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. They have to go out there for education. They have to go out there for employment. And despite Jharkhand being one of the richest, richest state when it comes to natural resources, it could not cater to its own people when it comes to basic amenities are concerned, and that has been a key talking point for the people here as well. Now, the third point also remains about the tribal identity, and that has been raked up quite prominently by the BJP, that the tribal identity is being hurt, but on the other hand, the JMM also has been trying to rake up this issue. So these had been certain talking points in these elections. The people are not happy when it comes to the developmental parameters are concerned. So clearly that sends out a wave of anti-incumbency among the people, and that is something that we are seeing in these early leads. With the Bharatiya Janata Party, leading with about 35 to 40 seats, and the JMM, the Indian National Congress, and all the other ND alliances still below the 30 mark. So that these are the early trends, however, that have been given out by the people on the ground across the state, and our Doordarshan team, that is also spread across the state as well. The election commission is slowly giving these leads, and that is perhaps the most authentic leads rather, and we'll have to wait for about an hour more for clearer leads to appear, and we can then make a perception that which way this election is going. But the early leads have clearly showed that when it comes to polling, people did have this anti-incumbency factor in mind. No, if not all, but many, when it comes to the changes that we are seeing in the political scenario of the state.
In fact, in both the states, Maharashtra and Jharkhand, we saw the voting percentage was more this time around compared to last time. We'll keep coming back to you.